Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's Friday 30th August, 4:16 हो रहे हैं. Let's see how the markets did today. Uh, कल जितना अच्छा नहीं but okay, 0.3% up on both the Nifty and the Sensex. Almost all the indices did well. और कल का बाइंग अगर हम देखें तो काफ़ी अच्छा था. बोथ FIIs and DIIs bought a lot of stocks, जिसकी वजह से सब कल ऊपर दिख रहा था काफ़ी चीज़ें. और आज भी अगर हम इंडाइसेस देखें तो ऑलमोस्ट ऑल इंडाइसेस वर अप एक्सेप्ट FMCG एंड मीडिया. तो और रियल्टी, फार्मा और मिड कैप लिक्विड 15 ने अच्छा किया. So let's look at the stocks from these which we've seen earlier as well. Realty, obviously interest rates कम होंगे तो realty का फ़ायदा होगा, तो it's started going up. तो इसमें ओबरॉय रियल्टी, ब्रिगेड, मैक्रोटेक एंड सनटेक है, which we have covered in earlier videos, so I don't want to take it again, with the possible exception of Suntec. Suntec पहले नहीं लिया तो शायद Suntec एक बार ले लेता हूँ. Suntec रियल्टी भी लास्ट 2 quarters में बहुत अच्छा किया है, बट PE ratio is steep at 84. So I think a better bet would be something like Brigade or an Oberoi. Yeah, so Brigade I think was the cheapest of them. Yeah. Now Brigade is at 56 ka P, and Oberoi is at 29. So Oberoi is the cheapest, and it's a good builder, so it can be done. Or Lodha is a little expensive. I think it's building some new projects in Goa as well, along with DLF, which has not moved yet as much as the others. Yeah, it's moved today. So ये हैं. और इनको छोड़ के मेरे पास एक छोटी सी रियल एस्टेट कंपनी है विच इज़ कॉल्ड एलेम्बिक. बट या वेरी स्मॉल portion of the portfolio, but real estate will do well going forward is what I expect. And then pharma, I've been telling about Natco Pharma, which I hold, and it did very well today. So you see it went up by 38 rupees, which is good. So I hold this, and it's still very cheap considering the results that it has been showing. So if you need to add more, I think more can be added at these levels. But please consult your financial advisor before doing so. And the last one is Nifty Mid Cap Liquid 15, which the FIIs prefer. और इसमें the best bet is Bandhan Bank. Banking, obviously, because of the interest rates, is a good bet. Or Bandhan Bank is available at a reasonable P of 12, right? So that is the reason it's one of the favorites. और अगर आप future का expectations देखोगे तो EPS is expected to improve in this year. So yeah, Bandhan Bank from this liquid list, Pharma में Natco Pharma, and then there are a couple of names to choose from the realty basket. Good movement in realty and pharma indices today, and even the mid cap ones. So yeah, market slowly and surely progressing nicely towards the September 18 meeting of the Fed, where they will be cutting rates. So let's see if that gives a boost to the markets, but slow and steady ऊपर जा रहा है. So yeah, have a nice weekend, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.